By default, on the phone, the battery icon and other icons in the status bar are very small, and not everyone has good eyesight. Even for people with good eyesight, it's often difficult to see the information on these icons. So in this video, I'll show you how you can enlarge the battery icon and other icons. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To enlarge the icons in the status bar, first you have to turn on developer options on the Android phone. This is very simple to do. I'll show you how to do this on the two most popular phones, so you can follow along on your own device. Let's start with this one. Open up the settings. After that, scroll down, tap About Phone. Then scroll down again, tap Software Information. Now here you will see the build number. Tap on that 7 times. And here you will see a pop-up message that says your developer option is turned on. Now grab the other phone. Open the Settings app. Tap About Phone. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the OS version 7 times, and then you will see a pop-up message that says you are now a developer. Now go back to the settings page, then tap on search, type developer, then tap on developer options. Now scroll down, find the drawing section. Under the drawing section, you will see an option called smallest width. Tap on it. Here you will see a default value. Change this value to a smaller number to make the icons in the status bar bigger. For example, if you enter 320 and then tap OK, now you can see that the icons and text become larger. It's important to know that you can enter a value from 300 to 400, so you can choose the size of the icons and text that works best for you. If you want to make the icons smaller, just enter a larger number here, like 370 or 375 or something else. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.